you made a good fruit tart, you want it to look as good as it tastes. This is an amazing afternoon treat. My name is Raiza Costa, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make a fruit tart. Fruit tarts in general, they're loved by everybody. If you learn, you're gonna do it 1,000 of times. The crust has to be flaky. The secret to a really good crust is to maintain all the ingredients super cold. The temperature shock from cold ingredients into a hot oven, it's gonna crisp up the crust and it's gonna make it super flaky. If it looks like a pea size, it's good. It has to be worked very little. It's ready. I'm gonna wrap it with plastic wrap and I'm gonna refrigerate for 30 minutes. And now I'm gonna make a pastry cream. So delicious, and this one I have to say it's like my all-time favorite pastry cream. Whole milk, heavy cream, and I'm gonna infuse this with the vanilla bean. Bring this to a boil, and once it boils, turn it off, put the lid on, let it steep for 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna separate my egg yolks from my egg whites. I'm gonna add sugar. You whisk it just until it's pale yellow and it doubles its volume. It's like, oh, we can do it. Now it's time to add the thickening agents, which are flour, cornstarch, and milk. Cook it until it thickens. Once it comes to a boil, you let it boil for 3 minutes, and that's it. It smells insane. My pastry cream is refrigerating, and now I have my dough that rested for a little over 30 minutes. We don't want extra flour here drying out our dough, okay? And heat it a couple of times so it kind of softens, and then we can roll it out. And now my favorite part. Now we poked little holes so the hot air in the oven can be released from it and it doesn't create big bubbles. Okay, so now I am going to bake the crust. The way I like to decorate it is with sliced strawberries. You can use any fruit you want in your fruit tart. I'm gonna use my mandolin just to make sure all the slices are very uniform, but you can just slice it with your knife. It smells so buttery. And now I'm gonna spread it all over our tart, my tart. So I have my sliced strawberries lengthwise, overlay one by one, just like this. So the last one, you have to tuck it under the first one so you cannot see where it started and where it ended. Done. The glaze is like the lipstick in your lips because it makes it shiny, makes it look so sexy. Okay, maybe not sexy. It smells so delicious. You can smell the butter from the crust and then these fresh strawberries on top, them all together. Love it.